Hello 2024, add yours Instagram story template. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find it, so keep on watching. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this profile, now you will have to go to January 2024 from highlights, which is here. Click on that, and if you tap on the first story, you will go to the next one, which is Hello 2024, and now you just have to click on the Add Yours button. Now you can add some photos here, or you can just click here and now click here, and now you can share this story with your friends by clicking here. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful, and you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.